Want max energy for your whole day? There's a simple routine, and if you actually stick to it, you're going to feel the difference from day one. First thing, wake up at a fixed time. Could be 5, could be 6, doesn't matter exactly when. What matters is, it's the same time, every single day. Soon as you're up, drink a glass or two of water. Your body lost fluids while you were sleeping, and this is the fastest way to get it back. After that, do some stretching, loosen up your body, crack your back, get things moving. Even just 10 minutes and you'll feel your blood actually pumping. And if you can catch some sunlight early, like 5 or 6 a.m., that's going to make a real difference. Light resets your body clock and wakes your brain up naturally. Then eat a balanced breakfast, carbs, protein, fats. Next video, I'm breaking down every type of carb, protein, and fat that actually helps you build muscle. Free. Right here. Give yourself 5 minutes after eating to plan out your day. And your phone stays away during all this. You don't want anything pulling your focus. If you're a student, that's your best window to start studying. Want a video on the best study methods? Drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe so you catch the next one the second it drops. Peace.